It's loud, it's fast, and it's the definition of track-ready perfection. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS isn't just a sports car. It's a weapon built for the circuit. But what happens when one of these beasts gets totaled and rebuilt from scratch by a YouTuber? Let's dive into the world of the GT3 RS and the insane rebuild journey of Mat Armstrong. The GT3 RS is Porsche's answer to those who crave raw performance. With a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine pushing over 500 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and a screaming 9,000 RPM redline, it's engineered for the purist. But it's not just about speed. The RS packs active aerodynamics, carbon fiber panels, and aggressive weight reduction. It's lighter, stiffer, and sharper than a standard 911. And if you're lucky enough to own one, you know it's not just a car, it's a statement. But what if your dream car comes in pieces? That's exactly what happened with Mat Armstrong, the UK-based YouTuber known for rebuilding wrecked supercars and making the impossible happen. When Mat got his hands on a crashed GT3 RS, many thought it was a lost cause. The front end was obliterated, suspension twisted, and countless systems offline. But that didn't stop him. Mat's GT3 RS rebuild wasn't just a cosmetic fix. He sourced OEM parts, repaired the chassis, replaced critical suspension components, and even handled the complex electronics. From welding to bodywork, every step was documented in jaw-dropping detail. The most impressive part? He did it all without a traditional workshop. Just determination, skill, and his signature can-do attitude. After months of hard work, the GT3 RS roared back to life. Not only did Mat restore one of Porsche's finest, but he also proved that passion and perseverance can bring even the most wrecked machines back from the dead. The final product? A track-ready monster that looks and drives like it just rolled out of Stuttgart. The GT3 RS is a masterpiece. But Mat Armstrong's journey shows us that even masterpieces can be rebuilt, better than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crazy rebuilds, car facts, and stories from the world of speed.